Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1990 Porsche 944 S2. It's a 5-speed manual cabriolet. The electric top goes up and down properly. Brand new tires. No major dents, dings, or scratches all around. The top itself is pretty nice shape. Rear window's pretty clear. There's some wear like this in various spots. On the inside, it's very lovely. The dash is crack-free. The steering wheel is basically as perfect as you can get. Shift knob and boot are nice. All the vents are in good shape. The door cards, the carpet, the seats. Very little wear on the outer bolsters here. Headliner's all in good shape. Rear seats are in good shape. That buckle's obviously missing its cover. Currently shows 138,000 miles. Hot heat, cold AC, good stereo. All the electrics work. All around a really great 944 you can happily drive every day. So there you have it, our 1990 Porsche 944 S2.